In 1993, Max Tools transformed the ironworking industry with the introduction of the world's first handheld, battery-powered rebar tying tool. Since then, Max has continued to innovate with the launch of the next generation of rebar tying tools, the TwinTier platform, transforming both productivity and safety for ironworkers worldwide. Now, Max is standing up again, this time literally. The RB401T-E Stand-Up TwinTier enhances the existing high-performance TwinTier platform with an ergonomic tool designed to further increase efficiency while also reducing the potential for musculoskeletal disease and back injuries. Our Rodbuster survey uncovered 86% of Rodbusters experienced work-related back pain. We listened and used your feedback to develop the RB401T-E, a tool that enables you to do more of your job standing up. Using data from biomechanical simulations, our new tool was purpose-built to reduce the potential for spine compression fatigue on the job. In addition to the RB401T-E's unique extended frame, its handles are adjustable to the user's height for comfort or for storage mode. Built for two-hand operation, the battery is positioned at the top of the tool, providing optimized weight balance which allows the RB401T-E to be maneuvered with minimal effort. Our game-changing triggerless technology also reduces the potential for carpal tunnel injuries and enables faster rebar tying operations. When the dual contact trigger plates are inserted around a rebar cross-section, the wire is dispatched automatically, eliminating the need for repetitive trigger pulls. As a part of the TwinTier family, the RB401T-E incorporates the same reliable dual wire feed, wire pullback, and wire bending mechanism found in previous TwinTier models, as well as key accessory compatibility between tools. To learn more about the new RB401T-E, the TwinTier platform, or to find a distributor, visit us online today at maxusacorp.com.